Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an infographics using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Now first is we need to create a blank slide. So you go to the Home tab, click this command and click the blank document. So we will be starting from scratch. Now first is we need to create this human male and female icon. So we will be needing shape for this. So you go to Insert tab, go to Shapes, and then click this rectangle shape here. And then drag it on your slide. So we will be creating a body first. So please follow the instructions here. Now, after you drag the rectangle shape here on the slide, now you go to the Format tab, click Shape Outline command, and then select No Outline. So we don't have now the outline for this shape. Now next is we need to add another shape, which is this rectangle with rounded corners. So let's drag it here. Okay, now you can see this yellow dot here, so we can swipe that for us to create a smoother edge. There. So same thing goes here. Click the shape, go to the format, and then select No Outline, and then put it in here. So we can increase the size of this shape. And the next is we need to copy this. So you click the shape here, right click, and then copy, and then paste it here. Now, we need to turn this 90 degrees. So we go to the format, rotate, and then rotate 90 degrees. And then put it here. So we can adjust the shape here like this, and then like this. There. So we can copy this, copy, and then paste, put it in here. And then let's have another copy of this, put it here, adjust, and then copy, and then paste it here. So we can adjust the size of the body here. There. And then adjust more the height. There. There. Now next is we need to add circle for the head. Let's go to the drawings group. Click the circle here. Press Ctrl-Shift on the keyboard and then drag it on your slide. Put it here. And then click the shape again, go to the Format tab, and then Shape Outline, click No Outline. So there. Now, next is we have to combine these shapes. So highlight everything. So make sure you highlight from the top left corner, going down, and then go to the Format tab. On the Insert Shapes group, click the Merge Shapes, and then select Union. So this is now a one full shape. Now next is we need to create a female version of this. We need this trapezoid shape, this one, and then drag it here. Now we can also adjust the size of the shape here using this. So click the shape again, go to the Format tab, and then select No Outline. Next is we need to add another shape. So rounded rectangle again. So you click this and then drag it here. So for smoother edge, so you click this yellow line, a yellow dot, sorry, and then slide it to the right. Next is we need to add rounded rectangle. So let's insert shape again, drag it here, and then we can adjust the side of this rounded rectangle by swiping to the right by clicking this yellow dot there, and then go to the format tab again, shape outline, and then no outline. And then we're gonna put it here. There. So click this, copy, and then paste it here. So we're going to make a hand. Let's make it short. So there. Create another copy, and then paste. And then let's put it here, make it short. So there. Let's rotate it more. So there. Okay. Now, let's copy this again and then paste. And then go to the format tab, rotate, and then rotate 90 degrees. So let's put it here. There. So let's copy this and then paste. Here. And then let's add circle here. Okay, put it in here. Click the circle again. Go to the format tab. Click the shape outline and then no outline. So there. So let's fix this more. There. Okay. Now next is we'll do the same thing as what we did here. So we need to select everything here. Go to the format tab, merge shapes, and then union. So this is now one full shape. The next thing that we have to do is to insert a text. Okay. Now we need to click this text box, drag it here, and then we type, let's say for example 58%, 58%. Okay, so highlight the text. So go to the home tab, on the font group, click this. Let's have 96. So we can make it bigger by clicking this increase font size command. So I think that's enough. Highlight everything. So go to the font face tab and then click alternate Gothic. Oops, sorry. So highlight everything, alternate Gothic. So there. So we have now 58%. So you can increase that more if you want. So there. Okay. Now next is we can copy this. So right click, copy, and then paste. Now we can change the text here. Let's say for example, male. So we can decrease the size. Put it here. Okay. Now next is we need to add shape or line here. So you click the line here, create line here, and then go to the format tab. So we can increase the thickness of this line. So go to the format tab again, shape outline, weight, and then make it, let's say, this one, 4.5 point. So there. Okay. Next is we need to type text. So I'm going to copy the text here. So copy and then paste it here. So there. Okay. Next is We need to do the same thing here for the female. So we can copy everything here. Select, select, and select this. Hold Control on your keyboard and then drag it. What we have to do next is to change the percentage or the text here. So let's make it 72%. And then change this male text to female. Increase the width of the text box, and then there. Okay. Now let's change now the color of our slide. Now first is we need to change the color of this font, or I mean text. So change the font color. So go here, click this one. So highlight this. I think this is enough. Highlight this. Highlight this text, and then this one. That's it. Next is we need to change the background color of this slide. So we need to click the slide, right click, and then format background. Now on the right panel here, so click the color and then change it into this. So there. So we can now close this format background color. So there. So we can change the color of this line. So you click the line here. So go to the Format tab, Shape Outline, and then since this is male, so I'll choose the color this blue. Now also this line. So you click this line, Shape Outline, and then let's have it this color. Now next is let's add a rectangle shape that will cover the entire slide. Okay, now change the color of this shape. Go to the Format, Shape Fill, and then click this, okay, this color. So also no outline. So there. Now click the shape again, right click, and then send to back. Click this and then send to back. So there. Now next is we need to subtract this background shape to this shape we have created. So all I have to do is to click first. So click first the background shape. So make sure you click that first. Hold Control on your keyboard. So now click now this shape. Okay, so you may now release the Control, hold. So go to the Format tab. Go to the Format tab and then click Merge Shapes and then select Subtract. So there. Now we'll do the same thing again for this shape. So you click the background shape first, hold Control, click the shape here, release now the Control, go to the Format tab, Merge Shape, and then Subtract. So there. Now the next step is we need to add another rectangle shape. So you go to the Home tab, click the rectangle shape, and then drag it here. Since this is 50%, I think half of the body of the male icon here. So go to the Format again, Shape Fill, and then select this color, and then Shape Outline, no outline. Okay, now next is we need to click this shape again, and then right click, send to back. There. So there. Now next is we have to do the same thing here to our female icon. So let's insert rectangle shape, drag it here. Since this is 72%, so I think up to this one. Okay, go to the Format tab, Shape Fill, select the color you want, Shape Outline, and then no outline. Now next is, again, select the shape, right click, and then send to back. So there. Next is we need to add this text. So I just copied the text from the previous slide. So this one. So we can decrease the size of this if you want. There. Next is we're going to add now the animation. So first is we need to click this shape. So go to the Animations tab and then look for Fly In Animation. So there. Now, next is I want you to open the animation pane. Okay. And then you can change the duration of the animation to 1 second. There. And then click this. And then change the smooth end timing or effect to 1 second. And then click OK. So there. Next is we're going to add animation effect to this text. So let's select this text box. Go to the animation tab. And then on the emphasis group, click font color. So there. Now we can change the color. So select the effects options here and then select this color. Now we can change the duration of this effect to half second. So go to the duration here and then make it 0.50. So that's it. So we can test this. So you click there. So what we want is click this text box here, right click, and then start after previews. So let's check it again. So there. Now next is, so we'll do the same thing here. We need to add font animation. So you click the text box here on animation tab, emphasis group, click the font color. So change the font color to this, and then right click, start after previews here, and then we can change also the duration to 0.5. That's it. Now for this line, we can also add animation here. So you click the line here, so go to the animations, and then I think the white. So white. Okay. Now go to the effect options. So you click this and then from left. So there. So right click this and then start after previews. So there. Now for this text, so you click this text box, go to the animations tab and then select fade. So there. So on the animations pane again, right click and then start after previews. So we're going to run now this PowerPoint. So there. So there. Next is we don't need to do the entire procedure for the female icon here and then for the text here. So all we have to do is to copy and paste the animation we used here to this element. So to do so, you click this and then go to the animations tab, click animation painter, click that, and then click this. So we don't need to do the entire procedure that we did on this particular icon. So on the animation pane, right click and then start after previews. So there. So we will do the same thing for this and this. So click this text box, animation painter, and then click this. So we can do the same thing here. So you click the text box here, animation painter, and then click this. So we can change the color. So click the effects options here and then select the color. So there. Now next is to this. So you click the text box, animation painter, click this. So we can change the color, do not forget. Next is for the line, click the line, animation painter, and then click the line here. Now next is for this text box, click this text box, animation painter, and then click this. There. So we're going now to run our presentation. If you want this template, make sure you subscribe and like this video and then comment down below your Gmail account so that I can send you the file. Thank you very much. So there, thank you very much for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.